to compare competitors, all you have to do is go to the compare competitors section, and the main stock that you were previously looking at is automatically loaded. We take a visualized approach, and so when you enter a new stock, all the data is loaded automatically, but you also have the capability to customize and create your own lists so that you can compare the data that is important to you. Let's say you're into free cash flow like I am. I'll go into the edit section and this will open up the window. I'm going to create a new list and I'm going to call this free cash flow list. Now in the stats list, in the data list, I'm going to just look up items related to free cash flow. So it could be, well, first I'm just going to add some basic data items like the action score, the name, the industry, the, let's see, the dividend yield. And then I'm going to add or search for free cash flow, which is going to be the latest figure from the cash flow statement. And there's also the growth rates from the 3-year, 5-year, 7-year, and 10 years. I'm also going to look up FCF, and I see that there's two main ones, and I'm going to add the free cash flow yield as well. Once I've saved it, the list is now updated to display the customized list, my free cash flow list. And so I can compare the competitors based on comparing apples to apples, and also really dig down and break down the comparisons instead of just looking at some standardized list. I can really focus and create several different lists for, say, like if I want to verify the income statement. Right now it's on NA because the 3-year growth rate for interest income has been, these companies do not have that. The numbers, you can see it's all highlighted as well. If I open up this another sample list that I made, the best stocks will be highlighted and the worst will have be highlighted in red. Okay. If I want to look at the valuation, there's all these lists that are already preset that you can use just right off the shelf. And so by using this, you'll get a much quicker interpretation of the data and really focus on which of these companies is the best in class, so that you can really focus on finding and analyzing that best stock instead of just anchoring onto that one stock that you are currently looking at.